Living in Gainesville means enjoying warm sunshine, lush greenery, and vibrant neighborhoods. However, homeowners here also know the weather can be unpredictable: hot, humid summers, sudden rainstorms, and the occasional chilly winter front. Protecting your home from these seasonal shifts is essential, and one of the smartest investments you can make is a storm door. Adding this extra layer to your entryway can provide year-round benefits that enhance comfort, efficiency, and peace of mind. Extra protection against the elements: storm doors act as a shield for your main entry door. In Gainesville's climate, heavy rain and humidity can cause wood doors to warp or paint to peel over time. By installing a storm door, you reduce direct exposure to moisture, sunlight, and wind, extending the lifespan of your primary door. During sudden summer downpours or windy thunderstorms, storm doors provide added protection by keeping water and debris away from your entryway, helping you maintain a cleaner, more durable entrance. Improved energy efficiency. Energy costs are always a concern for homeowners, especially in Gainesville where hot summers make air conditioning essential. A storm door adds an extra layer of insulation, reducing drafts and creating a buffer between your home and the outdoors. In summer, storm doors with glass panels help keep cooled air inside, while in winter, they help retain warmth. By reducing the workload on your HVAC system, storm doors can lower energy bills and improve overall comfort inside your home. Enhanced ventilation and natural light. Many storm doors are designed with interchangeable or retractable screens and glass panels. This feature is particularly useful in Gainesville, where breezy spring and fall days make it tempting to turn off the AC and enjoy fresh air. With a storm door, you can open your main door while keeping the screen closed, allowing natural light and ventilation without letting in insects. It's a simple way to brighten your entryway, improve indoor air quality, and enjoy Florida's pleasant weather when conditions are just right. Increased security. Modern storm doors aren't just about weather protection, they also add another layer of security. Many come equipped with durable frames, multi-point locking systems, and shatter-resistant glass, making it harder for intruders to gain access to your home. For Gainesville homeowners, this added barrier provides extra peace of mind, especially when paired with a sturdy main door and quality locks. Boosting curb appeal. Beyond functionality, storm doors enhance the overall look of your home. Available in a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes, they can complement your home's architecture and highlight your entryway. Whether you prefer sleek modern designs or more traditional options, storm doors can be customized to match your taste and boost curb appeal. An attractive, well-installed storm door makes your home's entrance look polished and welcoming, which can also add value if you decide to sell in the future. Long-term value. For Gainesville homes, investing in a storm door is about more than immediate convenience. It's about protecting your home and saving money over time. With Gainesville's humid climate and unpredictable storms, the durability, energy savings, and extended life of your primary door make storm doors a cost-effective choice. When professionally installed, they deliver reliable performance, year-round protection, and a noticeable difference in comfort and efficiency. Final thoughts. In Gainesville's ever-changing weather, storm doors are a smart upgrade that provides multiple benefits: protection from the elements, improved energy efficiency, enhanced ventilation, added security, and a boost to curb appeal. By investing in a quality storm door and ensuring professional installation, you'll enjoy a more comfortable, stylish, and durable home for years to come.